Hello and welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we discussed how to block all Twitch ads using an extension called adblocker. However, this extension is no longer available because it was removed from the Google Chrome store. You might be wondering why Google Chrome removed this extension. According to the developers of adblocker, it was removed because it was falsely claimed to contain malware. Let me show you what I mean. If we go to the adblocker website, the link is in the description below. This is their website and click at the Chrome. You can see that they have provided an explanation for what happened. Hello adblocker users. As you all know, Google has removed our extension from Google without any warning or reason, claiming that it contains malware. This is completely false, as our extension does not have any malware, nor do we collect any data. However, for those who trust adblocker, we are going to share 100% working and safe method for you to once again use adblocker and block ads on twitch.tv. You just need to follow the steps provided below. This is the explanation about the situation. In my opinion, I think that Amazon, the company that owns Twitch, may have played a role in getting the extension removed from the Google Chrome store. Perhaps they were unable to block the extension and decided to have it removed instead. Of course, this is just speculation on my part. So what can we do now? Well, we can still use adblocker by installing it as a developer. All you need to do is download the adblocker zip and then hit save, then right click and extract to your desktop, and then go to your browser's extension page. For those of you who use Brave like me, the extension tab right here, left click and then click manage extensions. Make sure developer mode is enabled. Developer mode is right here. Click to enable it and then click load unpacked and then select the adblocker, then hit select folder. As you can see, adblocker extension is installed. If you want, you can hide blocking message as well as adblocker and then close. Now when you visit Twitch, you should see fewer ads. Additionally, it's a good idea to enable your browser's built-in adblocker for added stability. If you want to do that in Brave, click right here and then just enable it like this. Now let me show you how it works on Twitch. As you can see, we are on Twitch. When we click on a stream like Tense, normally we have to get an ad in the start, but as you can see, we didn't get any ads. By the way, in the left corner, you will see blocking ads. That means it is working. Sometimes you can still get ads, but we can try another stream, and as you can see, no ads appear. Normally an ad autoplay when opening a stream, but as you can see, we didn't get any ads. You can try it out for yourself and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I have also scanned the code of adblocker using several websites and couldn't find any evidence of malware or suspicious behavior. However, if you have any concerns, feel free to scan it yourself and let me know if you find anything. If you are looking for another option for blocking ads on Twitch, there is another extension called Stream Block or anything like that. Link in the description. This extension works similarly to adblocker. Just click at the browser and it will auto activate. All you need to do now is test it on Twitch and see how it performs. Thank you for watching and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video. Take care and I will see you in the next video.
Souls are free, but the big sanctuary will always be. So let the birds fly or hearts reign. In the sense of glory, bird dreams sustain. We tell you why this story